Realme Narzo N65 5G smartphone. The storage variants are 6GB RAM with 128GB storage, 4GB RAM with 128GB storage and 8GB RAM with 128GB storage. The available colors variants are deep green and amber gold. It comes with DRA technology which converts ROM into virtual RAM to expand RAM. It has 128GB storage and 6GB plus 6GB dynamic RAM. Designed with 7.89mm ultra slim, lightweight body with eye comfort display, 120Hz refresh rate, IP54 dust and water resistance. Featured with 50MP AI camera. Built with MTKD 63005G chipset and Android 14 OS. It comes with 5000 mAh massive battery. The box includes adapter, USB cable, phone case and quick guide. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using UPI, debit, credit card, Amazon Pay, net banking and cash on delivery. For AMI options, replacement policy and further information visit the product detail page. Keep shopping with Amazon.